Good morning students. In this video we will discuss about the solar system. So solar system is group of sun, 8 planets, satellites and some other celestial bodies like asteroids and meteorites. So all these bodies combinedly called solar system, and sun is head of our solar system. Sun is in the center of solar system and it is huge and made up of extremely hot gases, but it is very far away from us, so that's why we don't feel its tremendous heat. It is 150 kilometers away from earth. Except planets, except sun, there are 8 planets. To remember the planets in serial order, we remember by one sentence, like my very efficient mother just served us nuts. So by the first alphabet of each word, we can remember the name of planets in a serial order. First planet is Mercury, which is nearest planet to the sun. After Mercury, Venus, that is Earth's twin because it is same in size and shape like Earth. Third planet is Earth. Fourth is Mars. Fifth is Jupiter. Sixth is Saturn. Seventh is Uranus. And eighth planet is Neptune. Earlier, we were used to say that planets are 9, but now we say planets are 8 in number. Before 2006, Pluto was also considered a planet. However, in meeting of International Astronomical Union, decision was taken that Pluto is not a planet. It is celestial body like Ceres. Earth, on which we live, it is third nearest planet to the sun, and according to size, its place is fifth in planets. Its shape is geoid. Geoid shape means it is flattened from the north and south pole and bulging on the equator. Earth is called unique planet because conditions that are found only on Earth are not found on any other planet. That Earth is neither too hot, neither too cold. It has water and air, which are very essential for our life, and it has oxygen gas in its air, which is very essential for survival of living things. So we can say Earth is a unique planet. The conditions which are found on Earth are not found on any other planet. Earth is also called a blue planet. It appears blue from the space because its 2/3 surface is covered with water. So it is called a blue planet. So next is the moon. Our Earth has only one satellite, that is moon. Satellite means the celestial body which revolves around any planet. So moon is the only one satellite that revolves around Earth. Its diameter is only 1/4 that of Earth. And moon takes about 27 days to take one round around the Earth, and it spins on its axis in exactly the same times. So because of its revolution and rotation time is same, that's why we see only one side of moon always from the Earth. And moon, when we see the full moon, it is called Purnima, and it takes 15 days when it almost disappears. On that night we call Amavasya. Except those celestial bodies, there are some asteroids. You see line which is visible in Mars and Jupiter, that is asteroids. Asteroids are actually numerous tiny bodies which move around the sun. Scientists think that earlier it was a planet which dismantled into a number of bodies called asteroids, That planet exploded many years back, whose remains are called asteroids. Another celestial body is meteorites. Meteorites are small pieces of rocks which move around the sun. Sometimes these meteorites come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. So they drop upon earth. One term is galaxy. Galaxy means a huge system of billions of stars, clouds of dust and gases. So galaxy is mixture of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. And by combining those galaxies, we call universe. So that is all about solar system and celestial bodies. I hope you understand the terms which are described in the video.